Hey everyone, it's Simon here with your Tao Daily video for Wednesday, the 12th of June 2024. Both the S&P and the Nasdaq made new all-time highs yesterday after closing in the green the S&P closed up 0.24%. The Nasdaq closed up almost 0.7%, making a new all-time high both on an intraday and a closing basis. But it really all came down to a monster move in Apple. So we're seeing some broker upgrades go through on expectations of a new iPhone upgrading cycle after their AI/ChatGPT announcement at the WWDC yesterday. What a stunning turnaround. The stock was down 2% or 1.91% the day before. Yesterday it was up 7.26%. So Apple gained $215 billion in market cap. All right, just to put that move in perspective, $215 billion, that is bigger than Adobe. It's bigger than Wells Fargo Bank. It's bigger than Cisco. It's bigger than the number 33 ranked company in the S&P 500. So it's a huge move, and it had a big impact on the index. How do we know? Because RSP, which is the equally weighted S&P 500 index or ETF, was actually down on the day, down nearly 0.5%. So what does this move mean for Apple? Well, let's zoom out. Let's have a look at a weekly chart, and we'll just scrunch this up a little bit. So you can see Apple obviously had some resistance at this previous kind of $200-ish level. Bit of a double top there. We'll just smashed through that completely yesterday. Now, when Apple makes new all-time highs, it tends not to be bearish for the stock. All right, we'll just look at some examples over the past 5 or so years. Here we've got a breakout to new all-time highs, which led to a really nice run. This was another one. This one failed. This one, put on another 20 odd bucks a share. This one we got some follow through. This one a little bit of follow through. So we don't know what's going to happen next. But based on history, we've only really had kind of one really failed breakout attempt. The other ones have all had a bit of follow through to the upside. So I'm not suggesting for a minute that I would rush out and buy Apple today. I mean, it's trading like a meme stock, only it's got a $3 trillion valuation, but it's certainly back in buy the dip mode. A couple of key takeaways from this move. One is that the indices continue to be absolutely dominated by the mega cap stocks, and the second key takeaway is AI fervor is alive and well. The market still clearly has a lot of appetite for AI stories. It doesn't look like that narrative is going away anytime soon. Obviously today we've got both CPI and FOMC, so I'm not doing any trading today, but I'll look forward to see how the market reacts to those events later in the week. That's what I got for you. I hope it helps, and I'll catch you tomorrow.